So this is how you connect a Launchpad normally to a Loopstation. You'll need 2 of these adapter cables that come in the box with the Launchpad. They've got the 5-pin MIDI here, then the 3.5mm on this side, and you'll need 2 standard 5-pin MIDI cables. First connect the adapters to one end of the MIDI cable. Then plug one cable into the MIDI out port on the Launchpad, and then plug the other end into the MIDI in port in the Loopstation. By just using this one first cable, you'll be able to send messages from the Launchpad to the Loopstation, but you won't be able to sync up the tempos properly. So that's where you'll need the second cable. Now you plug this into the in the Launchpad, and then the other end into the out on the Loopstation. So you can see we've done it properly, because I can press the buttons on here, and it'll work with the assigns I've got set up here, which has changed the input effects. You can also see that the second cables work, because when I start the Loopstation's clock, and stop it, it stops the sequencer and the MIDI clock inside the Launchpad. If for some reason the MIDI clock section wasn't working, go into menu and then go across to MIDI and then go across one, and then make sure the clock is set to internal, sync out is on, and just copy these settings and it should work perfectly. As you can see here, when I stop, it's starting the tempo on here, and if I increase the tempo on here, the tempo is increased on the Launchpad.